Should you oil the back of your bearing like this? I know many mechanics are doing that. Why some say no, the back of the bearing should not be oiled. What is your opinion? Should the back of the bearing oil like this? Tell me in the comment section. Let me know your opinion. How does bearing works? So that we can know if we should oil the back of the bearing. The work of the bearing is to ensure that it provides a smooth surface for rotating component. For example, you have crankshaft bearing. The crankshaft bearing provides opportunity for crankshaft to rotate right inside here, so that there is going to be a smooth rotation, no iron to iron contact or metal to metal contact. And the bearing also provides lubrication. It is referred to as oil film. This oil film is here to ensure that the crankshaft is well lubricated and the crankshaft is not touching the bearing metal to metal. That is how bearing works. Then let's come to the back of the bearing. The back of the bearing, should it move? The back of the bearing must not move. The manufacturer made it in such a way there's going to be what we call bearing crush. There should be bearing crush. That is, the bearing should be able to stable. It must not move. So if you put oil at the back of the bearing, for what? Why do you have to put oil here? You don't want this to move. You don't want the bearing to move. And the bearing is in the housing. And you don't want it to move. So why applying oil? If you put oil here, you are simply telling the bearing to move. And don't forget, the bearing should transfer heat to your engine block. That is another function of your bearing. So the bearing should not move. Don't put oil at the back of the bearing. Rather, you put oil at the surface of the bearing. Why? That is how the manufacturer wants you to use the bearing to work. They don't want oil here. Here should be dry and smooth. You don't put oil here. So we need to clean the back of our bearing. Ensure you install it dry. There is no manufacturer that will tell you that you should oil the back of your bearing. No. But here the surface must be properly oiled, because this is where the crankshaft rotates. So don't put oil at the back of your bearing. Put oil at the front of your bearing, so that your bearing can stay in the housing. And see, if you put oil at the back of your bearing, you are at risk. You are telling the bearing that you can shift. And when the bearing shifts, when the bearing moves, it causes problem to your engine. One, that could cause bearing spun. And when the bearing spun happens, you and I know the effect on that on your engine. And two, it can also cause low oil pressure, because when the bearing moves, that will also affect your oil pressure. I'm going to explain that in another video. So you don't apply oil at the back of the bearing. You only apply oil at the front of the bearing. Now let's clean our bearing and let us do the right thing. Have you put oil at the back of your bearing before? With what result? Please tell me in the comment section. I know some of you will say, we have been doing that for long. Please stop it. It is never a good practice. Now let's apply oil. See oil? You put oil here. Yes. This is where to put oil. You see, this is where to put oil like this during your engine review. So here, no. Here, yes. See you in another video.